The Tikom L9000 Robot Vacuum is an impressive device, boasting a 360-degree LiDAR navigation system that creates accurate maps and can store up to 5 maps for customized cleaning schedules. The L9000 not only vacuums, but also mops, equipped with the latest mopping technology, an electronically controlled water pump, and adjustable 3-level water output, ensuring a thoroughly cleaned home. With a powerful 4,000 Pascals suction, it easily sweeps up crumbs from carpet fibers and is suitable for hard floors, tiles, wooden floors, and low-pile carpets. The robot vacuum has a long runtime of 150 minutes and comes with a self-charging feature, automatically returning to the charging station when the battery is low. Equipped with a convenient application and voice control, the L9000 allows for customization of cleaning modes, suction and water outlet levels, room selection, and the setting of virtual walls and no-go zones. The device has 14 no-go zones and sensor technology that provides safety protection for carpets, pet areas, and children's play areas while avoiding obstacles and steep drops.